what's in my bag. ये वही बैग है जो आपको पसंद नहीं है. Now guys, this is gold which is coming out. Are you ready? मैं अपना घर लेके चलती हूँ मेरे बड़े बैग में. Hey! This is my mom and mom is like, waste है ये पैसा. Oh my god, where did you get the bag from? I love the color. And I just looked at my mother. You have hair ties everywhere. Hair tie. क्या बैग ले रही है? ये तो बकवास बैग है. तेरे तो फोन्स भी फिट नहीं होंगे. तेरे दो फोन्स हैं. हंसिका, it's waste of money and blah. लीश नहीं है ये. Because I do not like anyone. एयरपोर्ट पे बैठे होते एकदम रील्स देख रहे होते loudly. Hello guys, welcome back. Today I am doing what's in my bag. It's very heavy. मैं अपना घर लेके चलती हूँ मेरे बड़े बैग में एंड बड़े बैग में से निकला एक छोटा बैग. दिस इज लाइक फट से जब निकलना हो तो जस्ट पिक अप दिस एंड गो. सो वी कीप वन हियर. सो आई हैव अ रेड बुक व्हिच आई राइट अबाउट माय कैरेक्टर्स. आई रीड this every time before I go on set. This is like my workbook. I have an organizer. I have my house key. Though everything we have fingerprints, but I'm very old school, so I have all my houses ka chabi in this. So yeah, that's that. I have 3 sunglasses. I am obsessed with sunglasses. So again, it depends where I'm going, so this is one sunglass. Another sunglass. This is my favorite. This goes with me almost everywhere. Should I wear it and show it? Oh, I'm looking slay. ऐसे बोलते हैं ना? बोलते ही नहीं बोलते. Also, this sunglass, I'll actually tell you, this is from I think it's from the men's collection. And I went and got it because it looks fab on me. I wear this very often, but it's really heavy. And this was out of my budget for sunglasses. But I still bought it. A Chotu perfume. This I got from Dubai. And it's really nice. It's Night Oud and they have discontinued this. But it's very nice. It goes anywhere. It's very small, so that's why I got it. And then I have Jo Malone, another perfume. Good. This is Peony Blush. And yeah. Then I have my wallet. So this wallet, I'll tell you a story behind this. I was at the Singapore airport and my mom bought me nothing in Singapore. And I was really upset कि मैंने कुछ खरीदा ही नहीं. So I forced her to buy me a wallet. And she said, okay, I'll buy you a wallet, but it should be red color. उसमें हमेशा पैसे रहेंगे. So I'll show you what's there in this. There's a Vishnu Bhagwan ji in this. Yes. I have chiller. Hopefully, yeah, Indian currency. Then, I don't know why, but I carry a lot of these passport size photos. This is my mum, pretty Mona. And I have a picture of my brother too. Then should I remove my organizer? I always in big bags like organizers. So I have a concealer that I've not used in a very long time, but I don't know why I have it. This is a blush that I swear by. If you've seen my Get Ready videos, you'll see this product everywhere. This is a lipstick from Prada that why I bought, I don't know, but I have it. And then now guys, this is gold which is coming out. Are you ready? Are you really ready? Gold. For girls, come on, everyone relates. Hair ties, it's a very big thing. See, I have hair ties everywhere. Hair tie. Everywhere there's hair tie. So basically there's everywhere gold. So after that, I have a hand cream, which I swear by. Again, hand creams, perfume will always be in all my bags. Okay. Then I have Evians with me, vitamin E capsule, which I take every day after lunch. Very good for skin and hair. Then this big bag is there. I have a क्या बोलते हैं इसको? Leash नहीं है ये. Leash नहीं है, strap है. हाँ, strap. Okay. So this is strap for this bag, which I kept it in this. And I have a small zip here. So let's see what's there. Nothing is there. Just my patience. Never mind. That was my big bag story. Now we'll come to small bag story. Okay, this bag, my brother was traveling and I said I want a bag. So he went to this particular brand and he showed me this bag. I said, get it. Me and my mom were on FaceTime and mom was telling me, क्या बैग ले रही है? ये तो बकवास बैग है. तेरे तो phones भी fit नहीं होंगे. तेरे दो phones हैं. हंसिका, it's waste of money and blah. I said, I like the color. I like the shape. I want this bag. Mom's like, मेरे हिसाब से नहीं लेना चाहिए. I said, भैया, just take it. Okay? I got this bag. And I can't tell you the amount of compliments I get for this particular bag, especially for the color. So I still remember I got the bag, and the next time we were in Dubai, me, mom and bhaiya, I was in the Dubai mall standing waiting for somebody to come or whatever. Mummy and me were waiting, okay? And my bag was like, the sling bag was like this. And mom was like, मैं तो कहा था, waste है ये पैसा. ठीक है, इसमें तेरा 2 phones क्या कार्ड जाता है, तेरा कार्ड जाता है, कुछ जाता है इसके अंदर तेरा. And she's added on my bag, okay? Cut to, just see. When, you know, the God is looking at you, one girl walked past me. Oh my God, where did you get the bag from? I love the color. And I just looked at my mother. It's a timing. This girl has a timing. And mom's like, अच्छा? She's like, कौन सा bag है ये? And I was like, ये वही bag है जो आपको पसंद नहीं है. So I get a lot of compliments for this bag. And what's inside this? Something that I don't go without is my Hanuman Chalisa. I swear by this, and it's always in the bags that I use very often. So yes, I don't know why, but I have Nepali currency. I did go to Nepal last year. कितना ये 100 रुपए है नेपाल का. So yeah, I have Nepali currency. Okay, this is a kapoor. You know what kapoor is? This is in my LV pouch, but yeah, it's there. It's always there. Something that I swear by: AirPods. AirPods are must, because I do not like anyone जो you know airport पे बैठे होते एकदम reels देख रहे होते loudly, वो अच्छा नहीं होता है. So carry your AirPods or any headphones, because Are you ready for this? Are you ready? Chiller. I have chiller. Some money. Yes, I don't count money ever. Why? Because my mom says पैसे कभी गिनने नहीं चाहिए. So I have a theory with money. As a child, no, हम लोग को स्कूल में पिक्चर दिखाने लेके जाते थे करामती कोट. So basically the picture always had that this slum boy had picked up a jacket somewhere, and whenever he puts his hand inside pocket, he had money. I had seen that movie so many times that I started to believe as a child that whenever I put my hand in the pocket, I will have money. And somehow I manifest that. So whenever I have any bag or any pockets, I put my hand, I'll always have money. And mom was like, "Tu पैसों की चिंता मत कर, you'll always have, and don't count." So yeah, that's that. So this was what's in my bag. I hope this was interesting, and I hope you liked the drill. Yeah, let me know what more you want to see in my closet. Able to show you that, I can show you that. Let me know what all you want to see in the comment section down. And you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe. Mwah.